Got it. There we go.
Good. I'm a little tight in my back and upper. I've been playing a lot of sports recently. Volleyball and basketball right now, and I dabble in soccer a little. Ouch.
No, you're supposed to say it
That was
feels good.
insane. No, it felt that was just a lot. But it felt really good, actually.
There we go.
Wow.
There we go. Good. Nice.
That's a good one, too. That was good.
I went real easy on you.
That was good.
Good.
Oh, that was a little bit better.
Got it. There we go.
That felt so good. Oh my God. That was perfect. That's exactly what I needed.